Alright, well guys, it is your boy Tocsnipezz right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully there's friendly fire in this. The other world that I did, there was no friendly fire, so it kinda was boring. Yeah, that's why I left. Alright, let me try to smack that guy over there. Hopefully I can smack him, because if I can't, great. Alright, you can smack people. Wait, kill this guy. No. Alright, but yeah. Alright, let me gather some wood. Yeah, let me gather some wood so I can kill people better. I'm gonna get a wooden sword. Oh my gosh, someone's looking at me. Alright, never mind. Alright, we're near a village right now. We are in the savannah. We are in the nice... You know, we're in a nice savannah. There's no elephants and lions, which would make the savannah look a bit better, but hey, it's whatever. Okay, let me enter my inventory. Alright, do the deed. What the hell? What was hitting me? Oh my gosh, I lost so much health. Oh my gosh, it was that zombie. I'm running out of there, boys. Let me just go inside of this house real quick. Okay, there is no bed. Alright, let me look for a house with a bed inside, because we're gonna need a bed to survive. And you know, everyone loves a bed. I am literally in my bed right now. Alright, oh my gosh, whoa. Alright, and we close the door. Alright, now let me just enter my inventory. Of course, already the deal is. Alright, crafting table. Boom, boom. Alright, there we go. Now let's create ourselves a wooden sword. And a pickaxe. And an axe. Perfect. Alright, let me just pick this up. Oh yeah, guys, I'm being quiet right now because I'm not supposed to be on my device, because I am a 13-year-old in school, and you know, during school days and you know, just during nighttime, I'm not supposed to be on my electronic, but you know, I decided to do it for you guys. Let me freaking kill this man. Oh my gosh, back the frick up, boy, back up. Why was he hitting me? Damn, that was a lot of damage, guys. Let me just dig this cobblestone. Alright. Diggy, diggy, diggy. What are you doing? Says Galaxy Cupcake. But we don't care about what Galaxy Cupcake has to say, because she's stupid and irrelevant, and SpongeBlob is like, help me. But we don't need to help you, because you should worry on your own problems, my guy. Alright, well, we got a helmet. Oh my gosh, let me just put this on. Alright, perfect. Now we're looking kind of fresh. Actually, let me see the drip. Alright, okay, we look kind of stylish in that nice leather helmet. Please, you are a OP private has slain by SpongeBlob. Nice. Just nice. Alright, let me kill someone, because... Alright, let me actually dig this back up. Alright, perfect. Now let me go and try and find someone. Alright, there is no one near me, which is... Oh, there is someone. There is someone right over there. Oh yeah, but first let me get me some watermelon. And let me just get some more, because we're gonna need to eat, because, you know, your boy's kinda skinny and he's kinda starving. So let me just get those watermelons, and then let me go and hunt me some players. Alright, but they're over there. Okay, whoa, I thought that was a player for a second, but never mind. Alright, they are down here. Great. Alright, let me kill this person. SpongeBlob looking. Okay. Alright, now, oh my gosh, I need to eat my watermelons, because I'm going to starve. Well, I am right now, but I'm gonna starve a bit too much. Alright, this guy looks like he wants to die. So let me flip it and kill this man. Alright, I hit him, boys. I hit him, boys. Well, he has an iron sword. Alright, my gosh, bro, what a freaking tryhard. Alright, you know what? Let me just kill someone else. Is anyone else here? Oh my gosh, I'm kind of laggy. It's no problem though. Let me flip it and kill this looking ugly Steve. Alright, let me kill this guy. Let me just... Alright, I don't think he sees me or not. Freaking die, kid. Freaking die, boys. Die. Thank you. Alright, that was easy, guys. Easy kills. Let me just take this crafting table right over here. Perfect. Alright, now let me just kill someone else. Alright, well this guy has an iron helmet, so this is not gonna be nice. Let me flip and kill this SpongeBlob looking boy. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, he has the shield, so it's just gonna knock me back, which is great. Just fantastic. Alright, let me... Whoa, I'm sorry. Chill, boys, chill. Whoa, oh my gosh, chill out. Please, really though, chill out. Thank you, okay, great, well, SpongeBlob just killed me. Oh my gosh, bro. What an annoying team, bro. Let me flip and kill this guy, cause... Actually, let me just kill this man. Alright, freaking Steve looking. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Oh my gosh, wait, let me kill SpongeBlob. Alright, let me just kill Deadpool instead, because SpongeBlob is a bit too... he's a bit too good at the game. Whoa, what the... Guys, stop! Oh my gosh. No, please. Oh my gosh, bro. Or you know what? Let me find this stupid SpongeBlob guy. You know what? I need to teach him a lesson. Let me, Perfect. I got him. Thank you. Freaking get out of here. Looking ugly Herobrine guy. Flippin' killed SpongeBlob. Let's go. Let's flippin' go, kid. Oh my gosh. What the? Stop, please. Let me just kill you, bro. Let me just... You know I'm bad at sprinting. Bro, I'm literally horrible at sprinting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me kill this guy. I'm so bad at sprinting, so killing this guy is gonna be impossible. Oh my gosh, and my aim to is horrible. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, he's gonna die. Never mind. Alright, well, I killed him. Finally, after like 30 seconds of just me chasing that dude. Alright, is this iron? Never mind. I think I'm blind. Alright, let me just gather some cobblestone real quick. For the buddies. Alright, perfect. And let me just get up here and continue walking and kill this guy over here. Whoa. Round 2. Oh, bro, you have netherite armor. Why? You're literally cheating. There's no way you grinded in survival for that. Because if you did, then you must have been spending 50 years on this server. Oh, whoa. Jeez, buddy. Yeah, this man freaking... There's no way this guy literally just flipping went in survival for this, because that is cheating, my guy. Alright, kill that guy. You know how we do it out here. Oh my gosh, this guy's flipping killing everybody here. Oh my gosh, my PvP skills. Thank you, PvP skills. Thank you for just saving me. Like, my PvP skills are so amazing. Oh my gosh. Alright, I don't think he sees me. Alright, well, he's definitely gonna kill me with his stupid knockback, bro. Not knockback, but his stupid thorns. He has thorns on his armor, bro. This guy's a cheater, bro. It's not even worth it fighting him. He's literally just gonna smack me now. Bro, this is just unfair, bro. You know what? I'm just gonna leave him alone. Just kill this guy. Oh my gosh, get your ugly. This guy's literally just Dream, but with a red color. That's so ugly. Let me kill this man. No, gotta freaking kill this bro. He's an imposter. Like, he's sus, bro, cause he's red. Like, you know how in Among Us, like, the red is always sus? Look at this guy. He's red. Let's flip and kill this guy. Alright, let me whoa, bro, whoa, he did some gymnastics on you, boy. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am horrible at PvPing, and my hands are really tired right now. So, oh my gosh. Well, I hit him. Oh my gosh. Whoa, oh my gosh. I cannot hit him. He's just doing so much parkour. Oh my gosh. Got him. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Oh my gosh. Yo, 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 yo. I'm just killing this guy. Never mind. Well, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed me interrupting the peace of many civilians. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I just took his blocks? Never mind. I swear he dropped diamond blocks because this man dropped diamond blocks. Oh snap, I'm kind of glitchy. Yeah, this guy dropped diamond blocks. Let me see if I can get a trade with this guy. Alright, let me just make him my ally. Hopefully he can become my ally. Whoa, whoa, oh, damn, son. Oh, shoot. Okay, okay. Whoa, 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 did he hit me? Whoa, okay, we're killing him. Okay, so we're killing him. I think we're killing him, boys. Alright, let me flip in. Oh, snap. Alright, I think we're killing him. I'm not really sure, though. Alright, let me just kill him. Alright, well, he just killed me. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and just comment something random in the comment section down below. Oh man, I was about to hit his looking. Never mind. But yeah, guys, that's it. Until next time, that'll be it for your boy Tocsnipezz. Signing out, bros.